Good evening. This is teacher Julie Joy Santos, and tonight I'm going to share with you the life cycle of a butterfly. Life cycle of a butterfly. It's amazing. This article was written by Kelly and it's from the Joyful Butterfly website. The life cycle of a butterfly is truly amazing. Butterflies have 4 life stages: the egg, the larva or caterpillar, the pupa or chrysalis, and the adult butterfly. Each of the 4 stages are very unique to individual species of butterflies, which is part of what makes watching and raising butterflies so much fun. The first is the butterfly egg. The egg stage usually lasts 3 to 7 days, but this can vary quite a bit among different species of butterflies. In fact, some species overwinter as eggs and undergo dispose to survive the many months of winter. The next stage is the butterfly caterpillar. A very tiny caterpillar hatches from the egg. The first meal for most caterpillars is the eggshell. The caterpillar is designed to be an eating machine, and before it begins to pupate, it will increase its body mass thousands of times. Next is the butterfly chrysalis. It has made a silk mat and attached itself at the base. The caterpillar also spun a string of silk around its body and attached the strings to the branch to hold the chrysalis in place in the same way that a telephone linesman uses a leather belt to attach to the pole. Not all butterfly species attach in the same way. Actually, the majority of butterflies will hang upside down from their silk pad. The pupal shell is developing underneath the caterpillar's skin. This shell can take many forms and shapes depending on the species of butterfly. Once the caterpillar is firmly in place, the exoskeleton will split off, exposing the pupa. In case of the black swallowtail, the final chrysalis will be either green or brown, depending on whether the caterpillar is pupating on a green stem or a brown stick. Most butterfly species will stay in the chrysalis for about 1 to 2 weeks before the butterfly emerges. Several species overwinter as a pupa and will thus enter dispose in the fall and stay as a pupa until spring when the butterfly emerges. May I also read to you the life cycle of a butterfly begins and ends with the adult butterfly. When a butterfly emerges from a chrysalis, its wings are crumpled. The butterfly will hang with its wings down and will begin pumping the wings full of fluids from their body to straighten them out. Then, the butterfly must wait several hours for the wings to harden and dry before it can fly away. The lifespan of most adult butterflies is about 2 to 3 weeks, but this can vary greatly among species. Species that overwinter as adults, such as monarch, will live for many months. This is only true for the last generation monarchs each summer that is migrating. In their lifespan, the female adult butterfly must find a mate and the right plants on which to lay their eggs to begin the butterfly life cycle all over again. Following and exploring the life cycle of a butterfly is a great source of entertainment and education.